Hi everyone, today I will cook chicken breasts that your kids will love and want all the time. First, cut the chicken into two pieces from the middle. Make them even thinner by using a rolling pin. Use a bit of salt and pepper mix on both sides of the chicken. Sear the chicken from both sides. And then set them aside for their turn. Use the same pan with chicken juices and oil. Add 2 chopped onions and 3-4 garlic cloves. When onions change color, add the mushrooms. Cook them well. Add the green and sweet red peppers. Then add the spices that you like. I used salt, black pepper, basil, oregano, and a bit of hot pepper, and turmeric. Mix them well. Towards the end, add some dill on top and mix once or twice. Place the first layer of chicken on the baking pan. Add the mushroom mix on top of the chicken, spread it everywhere. Place the second layer of chicken. You can make it with one layer if you prefer. Finally, add a bit of dill and of course cheese on top. Cook them in 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes until the cheese melts to golden color. It took around 20-25 minutes in my oven. Bon appetit everyone!